A very warm welcome to all the members of Shivalik Hills Sahodya for the third capacity building program on the topic Teaching with 21st Century Skills. Though the concept of 21st century skills isn't new, skills like critical thinking, collaboration, and problem solving have been taught in classrooms for decades. But now a special attention is laid upon teaching with 21st century skills. All the educators agree that schools must weave these skills into learning experiences and core instructions. And today we will learn more about these skills and how to include them in our teaching learning process so that the students can be benefited out of them. With this, I, on behalf of Shivalik Hills Sahodya, welcome our today's honorable resource person, Mrs. Monica Chawla. Welcome, ma'am. Before beginning the session, let us all know little bit about ma'am's profile. She is at present principal of St. Joseph's School, Chandigarh since 2009. Ma'am is gold medalist in MSc Botany from Chandigarh University. She is district training coordinator of Chandigarh for Center of Excellence CBSE, also serving as resource person for CBSE, training teachers and principals of India and abroad. Ma'am has taken more than 280 sessions in pandemic on more than 98 topics. She has recently delivered 3 days training program to Haryana school principals assigned by headquarters of CBSE Delhi on the topic leading transformation. Now, for the formal welcome of our esteemed resource person of the day, I would like to invite respected President of Shivalik Hills Sahodya, Mr. Rasik Gupta, to say a few words. Sir, please.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Nirmaljeet. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
I would like to welcome Monica Chawla ma'am on behalf of all the member principals and teachers of Shivalik Hills Sahodya, District Hoshiarpur, Punjab. It's an honor to have you here, ma'am. As Mrs. Nirmaljeet has already read your brief profile, I know it is brief because if we have to read your whole profile, it will take us a day to read that. The kind of effort you have put in for training the teachers and principals during the pandemic, especially, those efforts are really commendable. Ma'am is a source of huge knowledge, experience, and wisdom. And I hope all those things will be imparted to our teachers also when they will listen to her and interact with her. Once again, on behalf of the whole Shivalik Hills Sahodya family, I welcome you, ma'am. Now the stage is all yours. You can begin. You can unmute, ma'am.
So thank you so much, sir. I think I have a lot of praises for you as well, and much more than what you are saying for me, because I have seen you working very actively on various platforms, and especially you have created so many forums for the educators to be able to decode what CBSE is wanting us to do. So I would say many congratulations to you and a lot of applause from all us educators for sir for helping us learn so much each day and enabling us to meet wonderful people like this and helping us learn and grow. So thank you so much, sir. I think it's the leadership which matters.
It's an honor for me, ma'am. Thank you very much. Though I don't deserve that much, but from listening from you is in itself an honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much for accepting, sir. And thank you, Nirmaljeet ma'am, for a wonderful introduction, though I feel I'll try to justify a part of it if possible. I'll be very generous in my and genuine in my effort of sharing what all best I can share in this 1 hour. And please feel free to let me know what are the areas where you want to learn more, and we can connect again also if you find it, useful, fruitful for yourself. We are here to share our experiences to begin with. You all know much more than I know. As an educator, you are all experienced. You are vast ocean of knowledge and experience. I'm just here with my drop of experience and knowledge to just add to your vast oceans, just to make sure that there is something new added into it. तो हम मिलते इसलिए हैं, ऐसा नहीं है किसी एक को बहुत ज्यादा आता है बाकियों को नहीं आता. हम सब अपने तरीके से we are just trying to give our best to our children. हम सब के अंदर वो जज्बा है, तभी हम टीचिंग में हैं, isn't it? लेकिन ये होता है कि एक दूसरे को सुनकर हमें कुछ नई चीजें पता चलती हैं, which we feel like applying into our classrooms and ensuring that the learning outcome can be improved or enhanced. So मैं शुरुआत इन लाइनों से करूंगी. आप सबके लिए ये लाइनें हैं. सुंदर सुर सजाने के साज बनाता हूँ, सुंदर सुर सजाने के साज बनाता हूँ, नौसिखिए परिंदों को बाज बनाता हूँ. चुपचाप सुनता हूँ शिकायतें सबकी, चुपचाप सुनता हूँ शिकायतें सबकी, फिर दुनिया को बदलने के रिवाज बनाता हूँ. बनाए चाहे चांद पे कोई बुर्जे खलीफा, बनाए चाहे चांद पे कोई बुर्जे खलीफा, अरे मैं तो कच्ची ईंटों से ही ताज बनाता हूँ. नजूमी जोत छी छोड़ दो तारों को तकना तुम, नजूमी जोत छी छोड़ दो तारों को तकना तुम, क्योंकि है जो आने वाला कल उसे मैं आज बनाता हूँ. So you all are the architects of future, and you all are the solution finders of all the problems we have in today's world. And your rich reservoir is your students in the classroom, and your techniques or your processes are your pedagogical skills. And that is what we have to encash upon. हमारी pedagogical skills ही हमें strengthen करेंगी कि हम उन सभी problems को fix कर सकें जो आज हम देख रहे हैं. You must have seen that Chandigarh University incident, or there are many other incidents which are happening which are so shattering. We really feel devastated and we get shocked. Is it human soul doing these things? So where the answer lies, it lies in our classrooms, it lies in our teachings. और एक बहुत सुंदर सी लाइन है जो कहती है, we are not only accountable for what we do but also what we do not do. As a teacher, our accountability is not only for what we have done, we are also accountable for what we are not doing. If we are not fixing the ethics into the class, if we are not integrating art integration or 21st century collaborative skills, we are doing injustice. We are accountable for that also. अगर हम SDGs को अपनी क्लासेस में नहीं ला रहे, अपने सब्जेक्ट के साथ नहीं जोड़ रहे, चाहे मैं हिंदी की टीचर हूँ, मैथ्स की टीचर हूँ, we are accountable for that. So make sure that whatever we do as a teacher, we are expected to teach life skills, we are expected to teach SDGs, we are expected to touch upon 21st century skills and integrate it into our lesson plans. बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं है. जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, we will learn ways. हमने कैसे इसको बहुत ही स्पॉन्टेनियस और एक नेचुरल प्रोसीजर बना देना अपनी क्लासरूम का विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट. आपको कोई टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. आपने सिर्फ एक कॉलम बनाना है अपने लेसन प्लान में जहां लिखना है लाइफ स्किल एड्रेस्ड. इस चैप्टर को करवाते हुए कौन सी लाइफ स्किल एड्रेस की है, और वो लाइफ स्किल्स आपने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को पहले ही 10 लाइफ स्किल्स याद करवा देनी है वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की. एंड देन आफ्टर एवरी चैप्टर दे विल टेल यू कि मैम आज आपने सेल्फ अवेयरनेस टच किया, आज आपने कोपिंग विद इमोशंस टच किया, आज आपने कोलैबोरेटिव टच किया, आज आपने इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स टच किया. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, isn't it? So we just need to ensure whatever is close to our heart as an educator and whatever 21st century skills are demanding from us, let us make it a part of our lesson plan permanently so that we don't dare to skip it. उसी में एक कॉलम डाल दो कि SDG हमने कौन सी एड्रेस की है. और you can also, I'll just start with a small idea. आप एक 2 दिन का फेस्टिवल कर लो, एडू कार्निवल कर लो, where right from class 3 to class 12 आप उनको बोलो कि pick any favorite SDG of yours and give a 1-minute demo. It can be a poem recitation, it can be a song writing, it can be a PPT, it can be a poster, it can be a mimicry. कुछ भी बच्चे करें. Just let them do whatever they love to do and see the kind of festival you will witness. और आप खुद कहेंगे कि मैम we planned it for 2 days और वो 4 दिन चला, because weak students भी कह रहे थे कि मुझे ऐसे करना है, मुझे ऐसे करना है. So we just have to sprinkle that thought on their minds कि बेटा the SDGs are something which will help us survive and live a sustainable life where resources will not finish. Other generations will also get ample of resources. I hope it's clear. So you just have to spare a thought for what event you want to do, how, addressing what, and all your children are very good self-learners. आपने COVID time में देखा है. If they are interested, they will do anything. If they are not interested, they will not. तो SDGs ऐसा टॉपिक है कि वो खुश होकर अपने आप एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. आपने उनको 2 दिन का समय देना है और उनको बोलना है कि बेटा you will get 1 minute of yours to talk about your selected SDG. And see, without teaching, they will teach you lot many things about SDGs. So let's start with the topic quickly. We are going to talk about 21st century teaching skills. In this, let me remind you or suggest you one book of Sir Howard Gardner, 5 Minds for the Future, which says कि 21st century में हमें 5 तरह के दिमाग तैयार करने हैं. Responsible mind, disciplined mind, synthesis mind, creative mind, ethical mind. तो वो कहते हैं कि हर इंसान में इन चारों तरह के दिमाग जो है वो हमें डेवलप करने हैं जब हम अपनी क्लास में पढ़ाते हैं. Without any one of these minds, if it's missing in any individual, we'll not have a civilized society or cultured society. I hope I'm understandable. I'm making some sense. So एक बहुत छोटी सी हैंडबुक है और आप इजीली अपने बैग में कैरी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन फिनिश इट इन 2 days if you are a good reader, otherwise in a week's time. बट बहुत जरूरी है कि वो चश्मा हार्वर्ड गार्डनर सर का पहनकर हम एक बार देखें कि वो टीचर से क्या चाहते हैं. एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट कन्विंस्ड कि हाँ जो हम आज बात करने जा रहे हैं वो कितनी जरूरी है. एंड देन देयर इज अ बुक बाय युवल नोआ हरारी, 21 Lessons for 21st Century. अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ी है तो जरूर लीजिए, अपनी स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी में रखवाइए. और थोड़ी थिक बुक है, लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी है, बट जैसे जैसे आप पढ़ेंगे इट विल ग्रैब यू. यू विल बी हुक्ड विद दैट बुक. इट टॉक्स अबाउट 21 lessons of the 21st century जो हमारे बच्चों को आना चाहिए. नाउ आई विल मूव टू द प्रेजेंटेशन. अलाउ मी टू शेयर माय स्क्रीन, डियर फ्रेंड्स. जस्ट अ मिनट. I hope it's visible, dear friends. Yes?
Ma'am, it's not visible. You have
It's not.
started sharing, but it is not visible yet.
Okay. Should I do it again then?
Yes, you can try once again. Stop sharing and share again. It was
Because I
visible.
think
Just when you
it was.
yeah, when you stopped sharing it was visible for a second only.
Is it visible now?
Yes, now visible, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Such a good news it is. So allow me to just come to the slide mode. I hope you all can see this. 21st, teaching with 21st century skills, and I've already been introduced. Let me come to the topic quickly. When we talk of 21st century skills, let us talk of the broad categorization first. We all must know it, and I hope we all are catering in some or the other way with our subjects also. So first is learning skills, second is literacy skill, and third is life skills. This is what I'm trying to complete my syllabus as a teacher. So just bear 1 or 2 slides which talks about the theoretical aspects of 21st century skills. Post that, we will just focus upon practical activities which can be done, which can make your lessons interesting, which can make you feel more confident as a 21st century pedagogue. Okay, so when we talk of learning skills, I hope you all know there are 4 C's under it. We all know it very well: critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. When we talk of creativity, let us remember the demarcation between the big C and the small c. Big C are the big creativity or big creations or innovations happening in the world. Like we have jobs, we have so many people who have been inventing so many good things, and we are actually listening to their words wherever they stand on whichever forum, and Job Steves you have been hearing, and Elon Musk you have been hearing. So many good leaders, and Robin Sharma you have been hearing. So these are the people who are full of creativity. They have created a lot of content. They have created a lot of good things which the society is now enjoying and is reaping the benefit of what they worked hard in their laboratories. So what we see is creativity. That is big C. But in your classrooms is the small c. What is that small c? When your children are trying to cover their notebooks very creatively, when they're making a theme related bookmark in their books. I hope you all must have witnessed that. Or when they're trying to give some good caption to their notebook. Or when they're making an index in a very systematic and a very different way, unlike other children in the classroom. So those are small c's. So why do we mention big C and small c here? That big C तो पूरी दुनिया देखती है, enjoy करती है, celebrate करती है, लेकिन small c ignore हो जाती है. Because we are in haste of going to the next class, we don't have time to look back and appreciate that child, that amazing bookmark, wonderful book cover, very nice index. तो आपको जो भी ऐसा important creative element अपनी classroom में दिखे, if you just pass a compliment to that child or give a small batch of creative ambassador to your child, or maybe a small, pop stick, colored painted with a very nice caption or title for that child will always treasure it, will keep it in the portfolio. So make sure कि small c's हमारी classroom में जो है वो कहीं भी ignore ना हो. We should be able to give due importance to all the small c's within our classrooms. That will ensure that the world gets bigger and brighter big C's in the future. Then collaboration, we all are doing. This is what we are doing, collaboration under the able guidance of Mr. Rasik Gupta. So we are happy that we are collaborating for exchange of knowledge and trying to churn out better activities for our classes. Communication, very effective method and very, very important. I would say a backbone of the class is communication. If a teacher knows how to get the children hooked, how to keep them engaged, how to get connected with them, that class can never lose its pace or its destination. So it's important for us to maintain that communication skills within the classroom, where we are trying to show them that I know what you are thinking and I'm thinking on the same lines, and I'm going to give you something related to that also. Just wait and watch. So you have holded that child's attention, and that child will look up to ma'am. She'll come up with something which I also like. So communication skills, very, very, very important. I always feel it's the lifeline of a classroom. If a teacher is jovial, she's happy, she's celebrating her teaching, she's out of love over there, the children can never lose interest in the class, and they will even do MSc. If the teacher is standing in 5th and teaching something of MSc, children will do that also. I hope you all agree, teachers. I want a big yes or no on this with your noddings like this or this. You are free to disagree also. So if a teacher is interesting, she can take any course, any curriculum, and she can ensure that the children do it well, isn't it? So the challenge is not for the child to receive, the challenge is for the teacher to convey it in an effective manner. So communication is actually a lifeline. Thank you so much for your consents. And now coming to literacy skills, I hope we all are aware that media, technology, and information are few important portals which are source of literacy skills as well. And we are also contributing content on the same. Each one of us as a teacher love to prepare our own IT tools. How many of you are already preparing podcast for your subjects and your classrooms? Can I have some quick Y's in the chat box? How many of you are already preparing podcasts? Can I quickly get some Y's? Oh, wonderful. That's nice. Parvinder ma'am, Kuljeet ma'am. Can I have some more? Okay, so that means we can talk about it. So since many are not doing it. So if I'm a science teacher, I'm teaching class 6 and I have a syllabus which I'm teaching every year. And I tell my children that we have completed the chapter of, maybe life cycle or photosynthesis. And now I want you to record your understood portion of that chapter in the form of a podcast and send it to me. And I will choose which is the best podcast will be added to my library, which I'm going to use as a teaching aid for next batches also. So the children will take it as a challenge that ma'am wants that I should be able to explain it equally good as ma'am did it. So what they will do, they will try to research on that topic, they'll try to go a little deeper, because you have given a subtopic of that whole topic. आपके एक टॉपिक में 5 एलिमेंट्स थे, आपने 5 टीम्स बनाई और उनको 5 टॉपिक्स दे दिए। अब वो पांचों टीम में अलग अलग कंटेंट क्रिएशन करेगा, कोई रिकॉर्डिंग करेगा, कोई उसकी स्क्रिप्ट बनाएगा। They will record that podcast of each subtopic of that topic and they will send it to you. So you will then give them grades based on this podcast and you will keep adding it to your podcast library. Very important for all of us as a 21st century teacher. If you are able to claim in a period of 1 year that I have prepared my podcast library of the entire syllabus, then hats off for you in advance. So please look forward for that perspective as well. Children have a great potential to give you whatever you want as a teacher. आपको कोई भी टीचिंग एड खुद बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप प्लान कीजिए आपको कैसे मॉडल्स चाहिए, कैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स चाहिए, आप उनको अपने हॉलिडे होमवर्क में इंटीग्रेट कर दीजिए पहले ही। कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जो मॉडल के बिना क्लास में समझाने का मजा ही नहीं आएगा, तो उसको हॉलिडे होमवर्क में एम्बेड कर दीजिए। और जब भी हॉलिडे होमवर्क दे, प्लीज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, कभी भी रिजिड होमवर्क नहीं होना चाहिए कि सब मॉडल बनाएंगे, सब पोस्टर बनाएंगे, सब इस बुक का मे बी एक इन्फोग्राफिक चार्ट बनाएंगे। हर बच्चे का अपना इंटरेस्ट है, उनको आप 6 होमवर्क दीजिए और उनको बोलिए एनीबडी कैन डू एनी वन ऑफ दीज एंड यू विल बी रेटेड बेस्ड ऑन दिस। उनको वैरायटी देना बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज उनका देयर हैज टू बी देयर हार्ट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दैट वर्क। अगर वो दिल से काम करेंगे तो वो बहुत सुंदर निकलेगा। इसीलिए मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में एडू कार्निवल बोला कि उनको बोलो जो स्किल आपकी बेस्ट है उस स्किल में आप एसटीजी समझा दो। जरूरी नहीं है कि सबने एक छोटी सी वीडियो ही रिकॉर्ड करनी है या सबने प्रेजेंटेशन ही देनी है या सबने एक गाना ही लिखना है उसके ऊपर। कोई लिखने वाला है, कोई नाचने वाला है, कोई थिएटर करने वाला है, कोई पोस्टर बनाने वाला है, कोई वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग बहुत अच्छी करने वाला है। सो लेट देम डू व्हाट देयर हार्ट सेज। सिमिलरली आई एम टेलिंग यू फॉर हॉलिडे होमवर्क हमेशा याद रखिए, कभी कंपार्टमेंटलाइज नहीं कीजिए कि सबने ये ही करना है। आप हमेशा हर सब्जेक्ट में 6 होमवर्क दीजिए और उनको बोलिए कि इनमें से कोई भी 2 कर लो या इनमें से कोई भी एक कर लो, सो दैट एवरी चाइल्ड हैज द लिबर्टी टू चूज। और जब उन्हें चूज करने का ऑप्शन मिलता है ना, तो दे रियली फील वेरी लकी, एज इफ दे हैव गॉट अ लकी ड्रॉ। अरे यार कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, मैं तो ये करूंगा। यू विल सी, जैसे आप होमवर्क देंगे ना वहीं पे डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाएंगी कौन क्या कर रहा है, बिकॉज दे आर सो इंटरेस्टेड इन पिकिंग व्हाट दे लव टू डू। आई होप इट्स मेकिंग सेंस। लुकिंग फॉर द चैट बॉक्स Y or N, Y for yes and for no. Quickly, I know you all are exhausted, I'll not bother you much. Not even 3 letters to type, just 1. Thank you, sir. Wonderful, wonderful. So Y or N, anybody can disagree also, there is no problem in disagreement. So it's very important for us to rely upon media, upon technology to empower ourselves as teachers because there's a lot to do. अब अगर print media की बात करें, हम सभी के schools में student editions आते हैं, ट्रिब्यून के, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स के आते हैं ना। अब उसमें बायोग्राफी का एक हाफ पेज आता है, एक उसमें इंफोग्राफिक पोस्टर का हाफ पेज आता है। आई एम नॉट इन माय ऑफिस, आई एम इन somebody's office where I had come to deliver some content, so I'm sorry I could not show my things. Otherwise अगर मेरे ऑफिस में होता तो मैं आपको सब कुछ साथ साथ दिखाती रहती। तो रसिक सर सॉरी, ये मेरा 100% श्योर था कि मुझे सब दिखाना है, लेकिन अब अगला सेशन में मैं अपने ऑफिस से ही लूंगी। यहाँ तो I have borrowed the space कि मेरा टाइम हो गया तो मुझे यही जगह दे दीजिए।
So there goes a commitment from your side for the next session also. We are freezing this option.
Yes, yes sir, willingly. तो उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसमें आधे पेज पर इंफोग्राफिक पोस्टर आते ही आते हैं, एचटी पेपर में आते हैं, टीओआई में आते हैं। तो हमने उन सबको ना काट कर लेमिनेट करके लाइब्रेरी में फाइल्स बना ली हैं। इंफोग्राफिक पोस्टर्स की एक अलग फाइल है, बायोग्राफीज की एक अलग फाइल है। अब ये अनसीन पैसेजेस की जगह पे यूज किए जा सकते हैं, ये हॉट्स वर्कशीट क्रिएट करने के लिए यूज किए जा सकते हैं, ये सीसीटी वर्कशीट्स क्रिएट करने के लिए यूज किए जा सकते हैं आर्टिकल्स। हमारी कम से कम ऐसे 25 फाइल्स हो चुकी हैं। बिकॉज जब एक टीचर मैटर को तैयार ढूंढेगी, उसकी डिटेल्स ढूंढेगी, फिर उनका एक माइंड मैप बनाएगी, फिर सोचेगी कि मैं बच्चों की इसकी वर्कशीट कैसे बनाऊं, वो बने बनाए इंफोग्राफिक पोस्टर्स हमारे पास न्यूज़पेपर में आते हैं स्टूडेंट एडिशन में, और हाफ पेज का साइज होता है, इतने बड़े बड़े, एंड देयर इज सो मच ऑफ डाटा इनटू इट, बट इट इज प्रेजेंटेड इन सच अ क्रिएटिव मैनर कि एक ग्लैंस पे आपको पता चल जाता है कि ये हमारा पॉल्यूशन के चार्ट है, ये हमारा प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स के पैरामीटर्स दिए हुए हैं। एवरीथिंग इज क्रिस्टल क्लियर बिकॉज द प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल इज सो पावरफुल। और जिस थीम के वो ग्राफ्स होते हैं या पोस्टर्स होते हैं, उसमें डिजाइनिंग उसी थीम के अराउंड होती है. इफ इट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट बीज तो उसकी डिजाइनिंग पूरी हनी बी के हिसाब से होगी. So nicely they are done. If you're talking of stubble burning, you'll see the poster design so very well. If you talk of robots, artificial intelligence, you talk of shrinking biodiversity, you talk of reintroduction of cheetahs, आप उसके देखिए इतने अच्छे infographic posters दिए हैं उन्होंने student edition में. तो वो एक ऐसा important precious reservoir है जिसको हम नलीफाई कर देते हैं, अंडर एस्टिमेट कर देते हैं. अगर हम उसी के ऊपर एनकैश करें तो हमारी इतनी बढ़िया रिसोर्स बन सकती है जिसमें हम बच्चों को सिर्फ उसकी फोटोकॉपीज बांटे और उनको बोले बेटा हॉट्स लेवल के क्वेश्चंस निकालो इसमें से. बच्चों को समझ आ जाएगा कि एक आर्टिकल की तरफ हॉट्स के व्यू से देखते कैसे हैं. मींस आई डोंट हैव टू चेक लर्निंग और अंडरस्टैंडिंग और कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, आई हैव टू चेक एनालिसिस, इवैल्यूएशन एंड क्रिएशन. तो वो बच्चे जब उन आर्टिकल्स में से हॉट्स लेवल के क्वेश्चंस बनाएंगे तो जब आप उनकी डेलिब्रेशन करवाएंगे कि कौन सा बेटर हॉट्स क्वेश्चन है, आप सोचिए बच्चों का लेवल कहाँ चला जाएगा. The irony of Indian classes is that Indian classrooms feel books means reading, reading means exam, exam means result. So I don't want to read. I don't want to take book on my trip. They avoid, they run away. उन्हें लगता है कि अगर किताब है तो याद करना है, याद करना है तो मतलब पेपर होगा, पेपर होगा तो मतलब रिजल्ट का प्रेशर होगा. Let us tell them that any and every reading is not for exam. It is for life skills. It is for better understanding. It is for developing a perspective towards in which world you are living and how that world is changing. आपके आसपास बदलाव क्या आ रहे हैं, एनर्जी सोर्सेस कैसे बदल रही हैं. ये यूक्रेन रशिया की वॉर की वजह से हमारी फ्यूल जो रिजर्वोयर्स थे उनमें किस तरह के स्ट्रेस आ रहे हैं, कैसे क्राइसिस की तरफ सारे नेशंस बढ़ रहे हैं. हाउ आर दे गोइंग टू सर्वाइव. अभी कल एक न्यूज में आ रहा था जर्मनी का एक इतना बड़ा केमिकल प्लांट है, अगर उसको वो सप्लाई रुक जाती है रशिया से तो एंटायर यूरोप विल बी शैटर्ड. So we need to open their eyes to these things. They should not feel कि knowledge means testing and testing means result pass or fail. There's a vast ocean of knowledge. We have to tell how to swim in that ocean. So हमें ये जो newspaper articles हैं इनको properly utilize करना है. Biographies जो आपको सबसे impressive as a teacher आपको लगती हैं उसके थोड़े से snippets उनसे share कीजिए और वो कहेंगे अरे इतना अच्छा इंसिडेंट था वो, I would like to read whole of it. तो आप बोलेंगे बेटा I've already shared on whatever portal you are using from school site, maybe school pad. आप बोलो मैंने already इस पे डाल दिया, आप जाके कल पढ़ के आना. Tomorrow morning we are going to catch some important snippets from there. तो ये क्या हुआ 21st सेंचुरी में टीचिंग मेथड्स क्या कैसे हमने इवॉल्व किए हैं. वी हैव टेकन द सिंपल मीडिया बट अब आप छोटा सा एग्जांपल, सॉरी रसिक सर, आई एम जस्ट डोंट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ स्लाइड्स. I hope it's okay.
No issues at all. Please carry on.
It's about ideas, because it's about ideas, it's about thoughts and practices, it's not about slides.
Right.
The power corrupts the politicians and the PowerPoint presentation corrupts the teacher. वो उसको ब्लॉक कर देती है कि जो पीपीटी में वही बोलो, फालतू नहीं बोलना. So I feel कि I should stay away from this corruption of PPT. I'll speak something very important which I was telling you. We were talking about, I think, the newspapers. Yes. And post that there was some other point which was there in my mind. Okay, so I was talking about 21st century skills where we were talking about media. So what we had done, I told my teachers कि सबसे सस्ता टीचिंग एड आज के दिन में 2 या 3 रुपए का अखबार है. अगर हम उस अखबार को हाथ में पकड़ के ये चैलेंज लेके आज टेबल पे बैठ जाते हैं कि 2 घंटे के अंदर हम सब अलग अलग क्लासेस के अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स इस अखबार में से कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज बना के उठेंगी जो हमारी क्लासरूम के लर्निंग आउटकम्स को एड्रेस करेंगी, तो कितना मजा आएगा. So when my team got ready कि yes ma'am we can go for it, I ordered quickly samosas and tea for them. I said बैठो इधर और चाय लो, समोसे लो, लेकिन उठने से पहले मुझे हर सब्जेक्ट और हर क्लास की एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज चाहिए फ्रॉम दिस न्यूज़पेपर स्टूडेंट एडिशंस. और आप मानेंगे नहीं, we could gather 100 ideas on that day, but then we started striking off which are not that good, not that relevant, because quantity is not the target. The target is quality. और उनके जो सब्जेक्ट के लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं, उन लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज ज्यादा डायरेक्टली एड्रेस कर रही हैं, और उन एक्टिविटीज को हमने सर कंपाइल करके एक बुकलेट बनाई है दिस बिग A3 साइज, which talks of किस एज ग्रुप के लिए कौन से सब्जेक्ट की कौन सी एक्टिविटी न्यूज़पेपर में की जा सकती है और वो कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट को स्ट्रेंथन करेगी। तो वो मैं बुकलेट सर आपके साथ शेयर भी कर सकती हूँ। आई कैन शेयर द सॉफ्ट कॉपी, यू कैन शेयर विद दीज टीचर्स एंड वी कैन रिक्वेस्ट देम टू कीप एडिंग मोर इनटू इट। आप उसके जैसी और एक्टिविटीज तैयार करो ताकि आपके ये शिवालिक हिल सहोदया की तरफ से ये जो ये रिजर्वॉयर है ये और ज्यादा बड़ा बन जाए। आई होप वी आर रेडी फॉर द चैलेंज।
I think we are all ready. I'll wait for that copy from your side.
Why is in the chat box? Thank you, Lily ma'am. So sweet of you. You know, we may grow up, but when we look for compliments, we really feel very happy. You know, it fills our buckets. We feel, yes, I'm making some sense, thankfully. Thank you so much.
Goes the same for the kids as well.
Yeah, that's what I think. We never grow up, sir, actually.
Yeah.
Staying with kids, we are more like kids.
It's a proof that we have the child alive inside us.
Yeah. So it's very important for us कि हम एक simple print media से भी अपनी पढ़ाई से related क्या churn out कर सकते हैं. It's all about churning out. अब एक simple Beyond News channel है. आप कोई भी channel ले लीजिए, but I usually watch Beyond. तो वो because it covers global news in a very good way. So अगर हम उनको बोलें कि बेटा 9 o'clock आपने ये show watch करना है, tomorrow we are going to deliberate upon it. अब उसमें से आपके हर subjects निकलेंगे. You will get science also, you will get social also, you will get mathematics also, and you will be amazed to see that how your students' vocabulary will enhance, their way of expressing will enhance, and they will develop a neutral point of view towards global happenings. I hope you understand. So make sure that there are some sparks of what you love to do in your own life into your teaching. You integrate it, your internal passion with what you are doing in your professional life. Personal plus professional has to come together. Now let's move to the next slide. Our life skills, we all know we need to be very flexible. We can never be rigid. We can never tell our teachers this date means this date. You cannot take extra day for completing the syllabus. How is it possible? Suppose there was all of a sudden a holiday. You have to be flexible. You just can't complete it for the sake of completing. You have to genuinely teach the children. One class can be slower than the other. So we have to be liberal. Then leadership, initiative, productivity, and social. I always tell my teachers, there has to be this amongst you. कभी भी तारीफ को अपने पास मत रखो. जैसे ही आए जल्दी से उछाल दो किसी और को. आपको स्टाफ मीटिंग में किसी ने बोला है, Rashi ma'am, you are doing very well. And Rashi ma'am says, thank you so much ma'am, but it was not my idea, it was her idea, and she also is doing in her class. Her results are also very good. So what Rashi did, she received her compliment, she is not throwing it off, but at the same time she could satisfy, appreciate, motivate so many souls around her. And they all have started trusting her now as a good human being. We'll have to stop this, sir.
Someone has scribbled on the screen. Please, if you can just erase it and not to repeat in future. Maybe we can stop sharing and share again.
No problem, sir. I'll move to the next slide soon. We can stop the annotation, sir, if possible. We can freeze it so that nobody can annotate. So I hope it's making sense that teachers have to start this basic life skill of passing the credits to each other. कोई भी तारीफ होती है, सोचो किसको देना है, जल्दी सोचो किन 4 लोगों के नाम में ले सकती हूँ. मैं तो खुश हो ही गई, 4 लोगों को और साथ में खुश करती हूँ. At least they'll go back home and they'll say, she's a wonderful human being. I like her so much. I want to stay with her. I'll get so much of learnings from her. She's so generous. She's so appreciative. And that is what our target is as a teacher, isn't it? So of course, this all we have covered, like what are the outcomes of 21st century teaching. But this I would strongly recommend. Now, how I got this, I heard a TEDx talk by Dr. Laura A. Jana, and I felt that it's important for us to develop a particular perspective. And this was a beautiful concept she brought in through her talk. And this is how I'm presenting it in front of you. What are the skills which our children will need to succeed when they grow up? First is in me. They need to have self-awareness and self-control. If we talk of we, they need to learn how to maintain relationship, how to carry out different communications for different kind of people, whether it's my uncle and aunt, whether it's my cousins, whether it's my teachers of the previous school or teachers of the present school or the parents of my friends. A child has to be taught how to deal with all kinds of relationships. collaboration, teamwork, active listening. We have this fish bowl activity. Have you heard of this fish bowl activity? Where the children are brought into two circles. The central circle is given a statement to deliberate upon, and then the outer circle is just watching them कि अंदर वाला circle कितनी effectively उस पे discussions कर रहा है और कितना वो एक दूसरे के point of view को सुन रहे हैं और उसको अपने answer में include कर रहे हैं. And so the outer circle is just quietly observing them. They are given 3 minutes, and when maybe any time you can decide, and then after 3 minutes they have to express what is their view on that statement, and not individual's view, the team's view. So टीम का व्यू कब आएगा? जब सब एक दूसरे को सुनेंगे, जब एक दूसरे को कन्विंस करेंगे. So that active listening element जो है, that has gone very weak. You must have seen, you get very few listeners in your life. Most of them want to just tell you, do this, do that, I expect this, I expect that. But very few will call you, come, sit on the table, tell me what your problem is. Tell me what are you going through. Tell me where you need my help. They will just call you and say blah, 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 and they'll say, go, my work is done. I hope you understand. So we have to create active listeners who can listen to each other, who can do perspective taking, who can empathize with each other's plight. Then why? Which means curiosity, keenness, exploration, inquisitiveness, and asking. This is another aspect of 21st century. Then will. How strong is that willingness factor? Is it to level of determination? Is it grit? Is it perseverance? Is it drive? To what level these are on the spectrum of perseverance where the child stands? How much perseverance is there in my children in my class? Then wobble, agility and adaptability. Adaptability hota hai, we try to change ourselves as per the surrounding, but agility hota hai furtilapan. How prompt I am, how quick I am in adapting. So that is agility. So agility, adaptability and face overcome. How can we handle failures? ये बहुत जरूरी है. आपने देखा होगा जब फिजिकल एजुकेशन के टीचर्स टीम को हरा कर लेकर आते हैं, उनका चेहरा उतरा होता है, वो नजर भी नहीं मिलाते हैं कि मैम हार गए. And we have to tell them that sir आप ऐसे करेंगे तो बच्चे कैसे करेंगे? Just tell them it's a part of game. Somebody has to always lose. When we step into the arena, we know it very well that somebody has to lose and somebody has to win. So why to feel so devastated? So we need to teach them how to overcome failures, how to face them head on. What if? What if means unknown circumstances, and also exploring the new possibilities, innovation, imagination, creativity, and out of box. So this is just one view I'm leaving with you of Dr. Laura A. Jana. You can also read about her and you'll be surprised to see how she talks about it. I'll just move to some important slides which I feel are more important. These are some quotes, so I'll come to the practical aspects only. How many of you are aware of Maslow's hierarchy? Quickly, please. Maslow's hierarchy. I'm waiting in the chat box for Y and N quickly so that we can talk about this important aspect. Maslow's hierarchy. Quick, Y or N? Nobody responding? Or the network is weak?
Yeah, N. We have got one N and one Y.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
So
I think
most are N's only. Most of them have written N.
Thank you so much, sir. We are good to go with the explanation. That means. Just give me a minute. So this quote is also important. So when we talk of 21st century where we are living in, we see that the emotional bucket of our children is never fulfilled to the fullest because the parents don't have time. They have paucity of only time. They have enough of money to cater to the child's interest, but the only paucity is time. So similarly for the teachers also, there is so much of multitasking going on and you all have so much in your plate. I extremely agree that your plates are full up to the top. So much so that you can't even lift it from one table to another. So if we see that way, there are some teachers who taught the curriculum today and the other teachers who taught students today, and there's a big difference. So let us always remember that our core purpose of standing in the class of 40 is not curriculum. Our core purpose is to see which children am I teaching, what kind they are, what tastes they have, and what they enjoy how. That is something which we have to connect with. And then we come to students who are loved at home. They come to school for learning. But those who are not, they come to be loved. How many of you agree? Quickly, Y or N? जिन बच्चों को घर पे प्यार मिलता है वो तो घर स्कूल पढ़ने आते हैं, लेकिन जिन्हें घर पर प्यार नहीं मिलता वो स्कूल में प्यार ढूंढने आते हैं. They try to search belongingness. Thank you so much. So let's come to the next slide, which talks Maslow before Bloom. If my students aren't well fed, they don't feel safe and they are in badly need of hugs. They don't care when my questions land on Bloom's. We must meet their basic needs first. So what is the difference between Maslow and Bloom? Bloom तो हम सबको पता है. Lower level lots और ऊपर के level hots. अगर remember, understand और apply कर रहा है तो वो basic levels है. Analyze, evaluate और create कर रहा है तो वो higher order thinking skills के levels हैं. लेकिन मैस्लो कहता है कि जो भी इंसान इस धरती पे चल रहा है उसकी सबसे पहले बेसिक नीड है खाना, कपड़ा और मकान, फूड, वाटर, शेल्टर. एंड देन इज सेफ्टी नीड्स. क्या वो सिक्योर है, क्या वो सेफ है. देन इज बिलोंगिंगनेस. उसके बाद जब उसे खाना मिल गया, शेल्टर मिल गया, वो सेफ है, he or she will look for belongingness कि कौन मेरा अपना है, who says that I belong to that person. And then esteem needs. If I've got somebody I belong to, whether people love me, regard me, they give me due respect while talking to me, or they are ill treating me, मेरी एस्टीम नीड्स कितनी अच्छी केटर हो रही हैं. और जब ये सब पूरा होता है उसके बाद वो इंसान सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन की तरफ बढ़ता है. सो ब्लूम से पहले हमें अपनी क्लास में मैस्लो को केटर करना है 21st सेंचुरी में, बिकॉज हमने देखा है कि हमारा सोशल स्ट्रक्चर बहुत ज्यादा डिटीरियोरेट हो रहा है. There are so many families breaking, there are so many divorce cases, there are so many marital separations, there are so many stepmother cases, or parents living separate and the child is with grandparents, or they have certain chronic illness in the family, financial crisis in the family, where the elderly people don't have time to look at the child. They are busy struggling through the present situation at home, so the child is totally ignored. So what we say कि ब्लूम से पहले हमें मैस्लो देखना है कि कौन से बच्चे को घर पे कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है. अगर हम उससे वो बिलोंगिंगनेस का बॉन्ड डेवलप करेंगे तो उसे ब्लूम भी समझ आएगा क्लास में. अगर हम उसकी एस्टीम नीड्स को, सपोज there is a child who is asking about mathematics, some problem, maybe teacher was teaching division method, and the child says ki ma'am kindly tell me again, I have not understood. And the teacher is so annoyed because she has to move forward in the syllabus, and she's saying you are always late in understanding. I don't know from where you have come to my class. You are so slow in understanding what I teach. You don't disturb me now. Let me teach the other students. You are not the only one I have to look after. So if the teacher is talking like this to the child, he or she, the poor soul, will never ever gather courage to ask the teacher again, because उसकी esteem needs पूरी class के सामने shatter कर दी गई हैं. और वही अगर टीचर कहे sorry बेटा, I need to proceed with the class, let's meet after the break, I have a free period, I'll teach you again, तो वहां आपने esteem needs को cater कर दिया. और 21st century में as teachers we have to really focus on this element. Therefore I have made it a part of my presentation today कि मैस्लो को अपने माइंड में हमेशा रखिए और एक मूल मंत्र बांध लीजिए, कनेक्शन बिफोर करेक्शन. किसी बच्चे को आप किसी भी एस्पेक्ट में इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं, पहले कनेक्ट कीजिए उसके साथ. वो कनेक्शन हम क्यों कहते हैं? वो बिलोंगिंगनेस क्रिएट करता है, वो एस्टीम नीड्स क्रिएट करता है. आई होप इट्स मेकिंग सेंस. सम सेंस, मोर सेंस? यस. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट that we try to first ensure that we are developing that belongingness towards the child, and we are catering to the esteem needs of the child, so that whatever we say is actually going into the brain, is not getting out of it. Isn't it? कहते हैं ना दिमाग से बाहर तो नहीं चला गया. Isn't it? या फिर कहते हैं ना all clear. All clear मतलब ये नहीं कि कुछ भी नहीं आया, slate is all clear. All clear means yes, understood. तो वो हमें ध्यान रखना है कौन से वाला लेना है. ठीक है. So let's move forward. I hope this is clear. मैस्लो ब्लूम से पहले क्यों 21st century में? Because the emotional needs of the students are increasing. They have grown up with leaps and bounds, and therefore we as a teacher, if really want to achieve our learning outcomes, we have to ensure we meet their Maslow needs first. So now, here I present a small proposal in front of you. We call it 3C program. I'm sharing it with the confidence that we have already executed this. We have been working on this for last 5 years, and I'm sure you'll be able to connect with the idea, and rest depends upon your conviction, how convinced you are. So the 3C program is creatively crafted curriculum. आपने अपने करिकुलम को क्रिएटिवली क्राफ्ट करना है. जब भी हमारा स्कूल बहुत गैप के बाद खुलता है, सपोज समर ब्रेक के बाद, विंटर ब्रेक के बाद, या फिर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेशन, तो बच्चों को बोलिए बेटा डोंट ब्रिंग योर बैग्स, वी जस्ट वांट योर टिफिन, वाटर बॉटल एंड स्कूल डायरी. वी विल एंजॉय स्टडीज. क्रिएटिवली क्राफ्टेड करिकुलम. और इसके लिए डिपार्टमेंट वाइज आप पहले से अपने टॉपिक्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उनके लेसन प्लान्स बना लीजिए कि कौन सी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज या गेम्स क्लास में की जा सकती है जिससे ये टॉपिक क्लियर हो सकता है, चाहे वो मैथ्स है, साइंस है, इंग्लिश है. तो जब आप ये 3C प्रोग्राम रन करेंगे अपने क्लास में अपने सब्जेक्ट के लिए, हम हफ्ते के लिए करते हैं. आप इसको 3 days के लिए भी कर सकते हैं, 5 के लिए भी, 10 के लिए भी, डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू, बट वी मेक इट 1 week प्रोग्राम. तो 1 week में whatever the teacher has planned within her department meetings or under the guidance of HOD, she executes it. After she executes, when they did it for the first time, I was very apprehensive, and I said, let me ask my teachers, was it a pain in the neck or was it wonderful experience? And when I asked them, I was quite scared, and they all said, ma'am, it was amazing experience because we felt more empowered. We are no more dependent upon books and notebooks. We can take the children out of the class for teaching our subject. We can connect our concepts with the real world. And that is something which is making us enjoy our subject all the more. And the children who are not fond of writing and reading, they are also participating. They are also active. So we are very happy with this method. So it was a success on part of the teachers. When I asked children, super elated souls, no bag, all fun, no books, no copies, no handwriting, no speed, and they had gala time. When I asked parents, because I gave written feedback forms to all stakeholders, when I read through the parents' feedback forms, they said, we have never felt that connected with the classroom as now, because children have wonderful stories to narrate every day. वो घर उछलते आते हैं कि आज मैथ्स में पता क्या हुआ, आज साइंस में पता क्या हुआ, आज सोशल साइंस में हमने ऐसे पढ़ा. So because there is something new happening, they are not in their classes, they are more outside the class, they are more doing things, they are engaging themselves into education or learning process. They are more aware कि क्लास में चल क्या रहा है. Do an experiment today. आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स को अगले दिन पूछिएगा रैंडमली, कल हमने क्या किया था, वो किस चैप्टर का पार्ट था, हम किस पेज पे छूटे थे और किस पैराग्राफ पे. आधी क्लास को नहीं पता होगा, बट व्हेन यू डू इट विद क्रिएटिवली क्राफ्टेड करिकुलम काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम, दे आर वेरी वेल अवेयर कि हमने क्या सीखा, क्या किया, बिकॉज दे वर एंगेज्ड, दे वर एक्टिव, दे वर इन्वॉल्व्ड, सो दे न्यू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ देयर अवेयरनेस they were sharing with their parents side by side. So the parents were very happy. They didn't had complaints कि notebook में कुछ नहीं आ रहा, because यहाँ पर आ रहा था. It was coming here. And for primary classes, we were putting a slip over here and asking them to, we used to write, ask me about. हमने वो slips बना ली थी बहुत सारी, ask me about. तो हमने जो क्लास में कराया होता था वो हम blank में लिख देते थे. Ask me about weights. Ask me about measurement. Ask me about currency. Ask me about vitamins. Ask me about balanced diet. Ask me about diseases. So जो हमने कराया वो slip में लिख देते थे, and the children and parents used to have a good talks on that, because that topic used to tell them कि इसके बारे में बच्चे से आज बात करनी है. So they could gauge that learning has happened in a better way. So how many of you feel it can work in your classes? Creatively crafted curriculum is what we have named it. You can name the same or you can change the name. But the point is, we have to keep the notebooks at a distance for a while and try to make the subjects more engaging, more interesting, and connected with the child's heart. Children love to play, isn't it? Thank you so much. Thank you. So it's important for us to follow such programs in 21st century. Living museum, very nice activity. आपने सपोज यूनिट टेस्ट से पहले आपने सोचा कि अब हमारा पोर्शन हो गया, वी हैव रिवाइज्ड, वी आर रेडी फॉर द यूनिट टेस्ट. हम एक ऑनलाइन लाइव म्यूजियम करते हैं सैटरडे या संडे को, जहां पे हम उनको बोलेंगे कि जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स आपने सभी सब्जेक्ट्स में पढ़े हैं उनमें से कोई भी कैरेक्टर पसंद करके यू ट्राई टू ड्रेस अप लाइक दैट पर्सन एंड ट्राई टू स्पीक व्हाट हिज और हर कंट्रीब्यूशंस आर टू to that concept, to that principle, to that theorem or theory. And the children will try to choose anything. Maybe somebody will choose a Hindi writer or an English poet or a scientist or a mathematician, and they will try to study about that character and they will dress up like that. So in an online platform, you can tell them, so now it is for Shakespeare to unmute and speak. So Shakespeare will unmute and speak. Now it is for Dinkarji to unmute and speak. So Dinkarji, Ramdhari Dinkarji will speak. So you have tried to connect them deeper into their subjects where they had the freedom to do whatever they can. आप एक क्लासरूम डिस्प्ले या क्लासरूम गैलरी शो भी कर सकते हैं. सपोज आपका सितंबर एग्जाम्स तक का सिलेबस हो गया फर्स्ट टर्म का. अब आप चाहते हैं कि हर बच्चा किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में से कोई भी टॉपिक का कुछ भी डिस्प्ले करे, चाहे मॉडल, चाहे चार्ट, चाहे हैंगिंग, चाहे फ्लैश कार्ड्स, कुछ भी, और उनको 2 दिन का समय दीजिए. वो अपना टॉपिक इंटरेस्ट का ढूंढेंगे किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में से और एक क्लासरूम गैलरी डिस्प्ले करेंगे अपने मॉडल्स की. वो वहां खड़े होंगे और आपकी क्लास के बाकी सेक्शंस इनवाइटेड होंगे टू वॉच दैट गैलरी. When the other sections will come, they will ask each child, "Beta, what you have made?" Or children will ask, how can you explain this? So the child will explain to every visitor what he or she has made. So the whole class has different topics displayed in the classroom in different modes and means, and there are visitors coming of the same age group who are asking them XYZ kind of questions related to their models, and they are, while answering them, they are getting better aware about what they had brought. I hope you understand. Spontaneity, how much they are prepared to answer the questions which they were not even aware of. So it's a kind of viva happening, isn't it? But they will celebrate. We are hosting a classroom gallery show and we are making invitation cards for the adjoining sections. We are dividing time accordingly so that every section gets half an hour to see our exhibition or our gallery show. So you have added art integration into concepts. You have maybe a storytelling into concepts, or maybe ICT tools you are using to ensure that whatever is taught in the class they are displaying as per how they perceive it. उनकी perception कैसी है उस topic के बारे में. So besides living museum, you can have a classroom gallery show also. I hope you all agree you can have it, because that is the time when you are already revising different concepts. So you can even shortlist the concepts. अगर आपको लगता है कि 2-4 बहुत difficult हैं हर subject में, आप उनकी list बनाइए और बच्चों को बोलिए इसी list में से ही लेना है, कुछ simpler नहीं लेना. Energy लगानी है तो tough topics के ऊपर लगाओ, नहीं तो नहीं लगाओ. I hope it's clear. We can move forward. I think next is infographics. ऐसे infographic posters हम बच्चों को बोल सकते हैं कि बेटा, we are done with this chapter and there is another chapter which is very simple. It is on environment or maybe ecosystem. I want you all to read it on your own and try to put the entire content into an infographic poster. और फिर आप देखिए बच्चों को कितना अच्छा चैलेंज आपने दिया और वो कोशिश करेंगे कि कितने अच्छे तरीके से हम इस चैप्टर के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को डायग्रामेटिक फॉर्म में स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा देते हुए डिजाइन करेंगे. So give these challenges in young classes, as young class as 3 and 4. The more exposure you give, the better they'll be equipped. The problem with the teacher-student relationship is that children are to be made good at multitasking, but the teachers are pro-sensitive to their abilities and they underestimate and they feel बच्चे को कहीं stress ना हो जाए. Whereas children can handle 10 times more work as they are already handling. But because we are scared, we keep contemplating, we keep apprehending that overburden ना हो जाए, नहीं तो parents आ जाएंगे. Children are too good at multitasking and we have to increase or enhance their capabilities by giving them more tasks. And you will see the result. They'll become so active. This is a simple way in which our system of education differs from the abroad system. There, I hope you all know, even in undergrad courses, students earn also side by side. They do internships also, they take up projects also, they take community service also, and they are scoring also, isn't it? But here we are more sensitive towards, that the child will feel overburdened. It's not like that. They can handle very well. In fact, they have a lot of energy rush in their bodies as teenagers. They really want to make the most out of it. So let us channelize it in the right direction so that they can put together their energies and come out with collaborative, creative outcomes. Now this is my last one, वर्ल्ड कैफे फॉर्मेट। ये बहुत ही अच्छा तरीका है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम स्टबल बर्निंग की बात करते हैं। स्टबल बर्निंग या कोई भी एनी टॉपिक यू कैन गिव मी, मे बी वी कैन टॉक ऑफ maybe distribution of cheetahs across the world, or we can talk of poverty, we can talk of child abuse, whatever topic. Suppose we take stubble burning per se, and we have a big class of 40. We tell them, okay, we have made 4 groups, 4 tables. अब स्टबल बर्निंग की 4 कंट्रीज का हमने कंपेरेटिव स्टडी करना है, और मे बी 4 डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट से उसको देखना है, फाइनेंशियल से, एनवायरमेंटल से, सोशल सेटअप से, और मे बी केमिकल सेटअप से। सो आपने 4 सब टॉपिक्स 4 टेबल्स पे दे दिए। अब क्या होगा, हर टेबल पे सिर्फ एक ओनर होगा, जो उस टेबल का ओनर है, वो उसके पास एक चार्ट होगा, उस एस्पेक्ट के इनपुट्स वो उस टीम से लेगा और उस टीम को बोलेगा अब आप अगले टेबल पे जाओ। तो वो पूरी टीम पहले तो इस एस्पेक्ट को कंट्रीब्यूट करेगी, सोचेगी इसके बारे में, फिर वो दूसरे टेबल पे जाके स्टबल बर्निंग की उस एस्पेक्ट को भी सोचेगी। जैसे यहाँ पे हमने एनवायरमेंटल एस्पेक्ट स्टडी की, अब ये वाली टीम सारी आगे चलेगी, सिर्फ इस टेबल का ओनर यहाँ पर है, या जिसको हम मॉडरेटर कहेंगे। तो दूसरी टीम अब वो जाकर वहां पर उसके सोशल एस्पेक्ट्स को स्टडी कर रहे हैं। दे आर पुटिंग ऑल देयर थॉट्स ऑन दैट चार्ट विच द मॉडरेटर इज हैविंग, और यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4th वाली टीम आकर एनवायरमेंटल एस्पेक्ट्स को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है। और हर टेबल पे सब टीम्स को सिर्फ 5 मिनट मिलेंगे, ओनली 5 मिनट्स। तो अगर हमारी 4 टीम्स हैं तो 20 मिनट्स में सब टीम्स का इनपुट सब टेबल्स पे आ गया, और जो मॉडरेटर है वो उसको पूरे ग्रुप के सामने 2-2 मिनट लगाकर सभी के इनपुट्स को प्रेजेंट कर देगा। Isn't it an amazing method? You can search about it, you can learn it from the net if I have missed anything. But the simple thing is, if there are multiple aspects of a given topic, they can be split up into groups, and there can be teams which are just rotating on different topics and giving their inputs, but there is one moderator who's recording all those inputs and presenting it at the end of the discussions. I hope it's clear, or there is some confusion. Nirmaljeet Kaur ma'am, I'm looking at you. Yes or no? Okay. So ये वर्ल्ड कैफे फोरम, जब आप ये नाम भी लेंगे ना अपनी क्लास में, तो बच्चे एक्साइटेड हो जाएंगे कि अरे हमने वर्ल्ड कैफे फॉर्मेट में एक चैप्टर किया, बड़ा मजा आया। हमारे पास बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स थे, एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स थे, और उनकी इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट्स थे, जैसे जिसको हम इकोसिस्टम बोलते हैं। तो हमने तीनों टेबल्स पे बारी बारी अपने इनपुट्स दिए, और उसके बाद हमारे प्रेजेंटर्स ने पूरी क्लास को वो प्रेजेंट किया कि हमारे इनपुट्स क्या थे। सो इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग। द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड कैफे फोरम इज कि आप बहुत कम समय में बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे सोचने के लिए मजबूर कर देते हैं, और उनके वाइटल इनपुट्स को नोट डाउन करके स्टूडेंट्स को प्रेजेंट करने की स्किल्स भी सिखा देते हैं। तो इसको बहुत ही सिंपल टॉपिक के साथ पहले लीजिए। सपोज आप फॉरेस्टेशन की बात करते हैं, एफॉरेस्टेशन, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, और मे बी द वाइल्ड फायर्स। देयर कैन बी लॉट ऑफ एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट इटसेल्फ, मे बी द बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट्स। लेट द children keep coming and penning down their thoughts about it. तो वो टॉपिक जिसके लिए ज्यादा उन्हें रिसर्च नहीं करना, ऑलरेडी दे हैव लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, अगर उस टॉपिक से शुरू करेंगे तो उन्हें बहुत मजा आएगा, और फिर आप धीरे धीरे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी लेवल टॉपिक्स के बढ़ाते जाइए, एंड यू विल सी दे विल बिकम वेरी गुड एट प्रेजेंटिंग देयर कंटेंट ऑन ईच टेबल। दे विल एनालाइज कि कहीं प्रीवियस टीम ने ये पहले से ही पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, तो अब हम क्या दें, ये तो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने दे दिया, अब ये तो हम कह नहीं सकते कि हमें कुछ भी और नहीं आता। So they will think, they will discuss amongst themselves, they'll try to add more perspectives to the same topic. So your World Cafe Forum is a very good idea which you all can follow. So in 21st century skill, let me tell you, there are hundreds of ways. There is gamification, there is game-based learning, there is problem-based learning, there is project-based learning, there is collaborative learning and a cooperative learning, there is flipped learning. मतलब एक छोड़ के 1000 मेथड्स हैं, लेकिन हमें एज अ पैशनेट टीचर इन मेथड्स को धीरे धीरे अप्लाई करना है। यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड टू सी नॉट मेनी टीचर्स नो व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कोऑपरेटिव एंड कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग मॉडल, और प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड एंड प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड मॉडल, और गेमिफिकेशन एंड गेम बेस्ड मॉडल। इन दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस है। तो इन सब टॉपिक्स के लिए एक एक कंप्लीट सेशन अपने आप में चाहिए, वेर यू कैन हैंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस एंड क्रिएट योर ओन gamification model and a game based model on the same topic, so that you can understand what the finer differences are. I hope you understand. So this teaching skills of 21st century are many. We have just given a kick start to it today. And there can be around sequence of 20 sessions, from different RPs or different techniques on the same. Then we can claim yes. But if you want to run it on your auto mode, you can go for auto mode also by registering into Google University, by listening to good TED Talks, by watching good YouTube videos. I think it's all about intent. I talk about I formula of 3I: intent, implement and impact. इम्पैक्ट लाना है, इंटेंट से शुरुआत होगी. सिर्फ इंटेंट से कहानी नहीं बनेगी, इम्प्लीमेंट भी करना पड़ेगा. और अगर इंटेंट और इम्प्लीमेंट सही है तो इम्पैक्ट होगा ही होगा. इंटेंट, इम्प्लीमेंट एंड इम्पैक्ट, isn't it? So with this and with few lines for you, I rest my session for the day. शुक्र है शिक्षक हूँ कुछ और नहीं, शुक्र है शिक्षक हूँ कुछ और नहीं. मैं और सड़क एक जैसे कहलाते हैं, मैं और सड़क एक जैसे कहलाते हैं. हम वही रहते हैं, सबको अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचाते हैं. वही कक्षा वही किताबें, वही कक्षा वही किताबें, पर होते कभी बोर नहीं. शुक्र है शिक्षक हैं कुछ और नहीं. लाइफ स्किल्स और SDGs को करते हम इग्नोर नहीं. शुक्र है शिक्षक हैं कुछ और नहीं. A big thank you to all of you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. I am going to unmute all once so that we all can actually physically clap, not virtually, but physically clap. So all the participants can unmute themselves once, and let's have a big round of applause for ma'am. Let the voice reach her.
Sir, actually, thank you so much. I think it wasn't that good because of paucity of time, but I tried to add all kind of flavors into it, the emotional aspect and the psychological aspect with Maslow's, and then the teaching techniques which we can use, and some quick ideas which they can just start deep thinking about it. And of course with the passage of time जब थोड़ी digging करेंगे तो काफी अच्छी activities निकल आएंगी उसमें से. लेकिन सर एक बात है, जो आप 20 सेशंस की बात कर रहे हैं सर, आई एम तो द लीस्ट प्रेफर्ड पर्सन. आई वुड से यू शुड प्रेफर मोर आरपीस. और मैं ये कह रही थी कि इन सब टॉपिक्स के लिए अलग अलग आरपीस आप लेकर इन सेशंस को बहुत वो कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यू आर एक्चुअली वेरी एक्टिव. देयरफॉर आई हैड द लिबर्टी ऑफ प्रपोजिंग यू दिस कि एक एक टेक्निक के ऊपर आप सेशन कर सकते हैं.
Ma'am, I would like to thank you for your, wonderful suggestions. The session was very, very interesting. I started, I joined the session. I was traveling back home from work, but then I didn't miss a bit of it because it was very, very interesting. And moreover, these skills are very, very important, and especially, in the areas where we are, the areas which we are catering to. Many things out of this are not being done because most of us are based in this belt, wherein like my school is in rural, right? We are touching the border of Himachal also, so our teachers are not that well versed with these things, but at least they have heard it for the first time. Many things like podcasting, and then these kind of techniques. Some of the techniques, yes, we have been using some of these methods, but the way she has explained and given examples, and how we can work out better methods for getting better learning outcomes, it was very, very amazing session, I would say. So would like to thank ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. We are really blessed to have you here. Thank you so much. Very grateful. Thank to compliment ma'am. Ma'am, your clarity of your voice, speech, and the flow with which you've been talking, it was commendable. That's why we couldn't miss a bit of it. Even if we were very tired, everybody might have been tired by this time, but it was so interesting. You couldn't miss a word of what you have mentioned. So you were really very good.
I'm honored, dear, by your words. And Mandeep Kaur ma'am, thank you for giving me such a good score. Thank you very much.
So if there is any query by any one participant, anybody has any query, we'll take only one. Can raise the hand or can unmute, because
Ma'am, please tell the name of the book which you initially tell us.
Ma'am, one was Five Minds for the Future by Sir Howard Gardner. Howard Gardner, 5 Minds for the Future. बहुत छोटी सी किताब है, बहुत इजीली हम सब पढ़ सकते हैं. और एक 21 lessons for 21st century by Israeli author. He is an historian, Yuval Noah Harari. उनकी काफी अच्छी किताबें हैं। एक है अ ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ टुमारो, होमो सेपियंस, काफी सुंदर बुक्स हैं ये। अगर आप ये पढ़ लेंगे ना, आपका नजरिया बदल जाएगा जिंदगी की तरफ। और एक सबसे बढ़िया मोटिवेटर लाइफ कोच तो है ही है रॉबिन शर्मा। आई एम तो वेरी हार्डकोर फैन ऑफ हिज। रॉबिन शर्मा की किताबें हैं हु विल क्राई व्हेन यू डाई और 5 AM क्लब एंड फ्यू मोर, लाइक जो बहुत पॉपुलर है, लेकिन मेरी फेवरेट है हु विल क्राई व्हेन यू डाई। छोटी सी किताब है एंड इट हैज जस्ट 1 पेज चैप्टर, सिर्फ एक पेज के चैप्टर्स हैं, और एक चैप्टर जो है वो इतना एनलाइटनिंग है, आपको लगता है कि अरे ऐसा तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था। वो किताब कहती है ब्लेस योर मनी। जब आप मनी किसी को देते हैं उसको ब्लेस करिए, so that wherever it goes it leads to prosperity, it leads to happiness, it should not lead to greed। तो छोटा सा जेस्चर है बट आपका अप्रोच कितना बदल जाता है, कितनी रिफाइंड थॉट है। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे अच्छे नोबल जेस्चर्स उसमें हैं जो हम सब अपनी लाइफ में अडॉप्ट करें तो शायद हमारा जीने का तरीका ही बदल जाए। तो डोंट टेक मी एज अ मार्केटिंग पर्सन प्लीज, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ लाइफ कोचेस, हम किसी को भी सुन सकते हैं। युवल नोआ हरारी बहुत अच्छे ऑथर हैं, उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू दी थी डीडी पर, तो उन्होंने कितनी सुंदर बात कही जो मेरे दिल में अभी भी मतलब इट्स लाइक लॉक्ड एंड आई शेयर इट विद एवरी टीचर आई मीट यूजुअली। उन्होंने कहा कि टीचर को आज के टाइम में टीचर्स का चैलेंज क्या है, टू कन्वर्ट इग्नोरेंस इनटू नॉलेज, हेट्रेड इनटू कंपैशन एंड ग्रीड इनटू जेनरोसिटी। इन 3 चीजों में सब कुछ समाया हुआ है। इग्नोरेंस को नॉलेज में बदलना है, हेट्रेड को कंपैशन में बदलना है, और ग्रीड को जेनरोसिटी में बदलना है। अगर ये 3 बदलाव हम ला सके तो दुनिया बदल जाएगी। आई होप यू ऑल एग्री, isn't it? जो इंटॉलरेंस है, जो ग्रीड है, जो रिवेंजफुल एटीट्यूड है, वो सब इन्हीं चीजों की वजह से है। तो जब हम अपने सेल्फिशनेस ग्रीड की तरफ से जेनरोसिटी की तरफ जाएंगे तो सब बदल जाएगा। सो जस्ट यू नो दीस सम गुड पीपल। एक मैम छोटी सी मैं कहानी बताऊंगी, रसिक सर इफ वी हैव टाइम फॉर 1 मिनट।
प्लीज गो अहेड मैम।
हमारे अंदर ना 2 बुल होते हैं हर समय, एक नेगेटिविटी का बुल है और एक पॉजिटिविटी का, जो आपस में लड़ते रहते हैं सारा टाइम, है ना? तो कौन सा जीतता है? कौन सा जीतता है?
The one whom we feed the more.
Clap for sir. The one we feed the most. तो हम जब रॉबिन शर्मा को पढ़ते हैं, रसिक सर को सुनते हैं, या युवल नोआ हरारी को पढ़ते हैं, तो हम अपने पॉजिटिविटी के बुल को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं कि कहीं पे भी हम डिलेमा में आए, कहीं पे भी हम क्रॉसिंग पे खड़े हों, हमें समझना है कहाँ जाना है, तो नेचुरली हमारा इनर इंस्टिंक्ट बोले कि नहीं इधर ही जाना है, बिकॉज हमारे पॉजिटिविटी बुल को हमें इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है कि हमेशा वही जीते। लेकिन जब हम क्रिटिसिज्म्स में पढ़ते हैं, कंपैरिजन्स में, कंप्लेंट्स में, जब इंक्रीमेंट्स लगते हैं, एक दूसरे की सैलरीज देखते हैं ज्यादा, एक दूसरे के साथ कंपैरिजन करते हैं, इसके पास ये गाड़ी है, तो दैट्स अ वेस्टफुल एक्सरसाइज। इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू मेक योर लाइफ बेटर इन एनी वे। तो जस्ट फीड योर पॉजिटिविटी बुल। इसीलिए कहते हैं ना सत्संग क्यों जाते हैं, ताकि पॉजिटिव थॉट्स अंदर आए। वो पॉजिटिविटी के बुल को फीड करने जाते हैं हम, हमें पता ही नहीं चलता। तो ज्यादा जाएंगे ज्यादा बड़ा होता जाएगा, ज्यादा अच्छा पढ़ेंगे, ज्यादा अच्छे लोगों से बात करेंगे, ज्यादा अच्छे लोगों की तारीफ करेंगे, अच्छा सुनेंगे, देखेंगे, पढ़ेंगे, सोचेंगे, करेंगे, तो डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिविटी का बुल बड़ा हो जाएगा। एंड जो भी हम करेंगे इट विल नेवर बी रॉन्ग। एक स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्शन जो हम अपनी लाइफ में इतनी बार लेते हैं, टेबल से उठ रहे हैं, दूसरे का एक्शन हमें अच्छा नहीं लगा, हमने वही कमेंट फेंक दिया, और फिर हम भी नाराज और वो भी नाराज, एंड फिर इट टेक्स मंथ्स एंड मंथ्स टुगेदर यू नो टू कम आउट ऑफ इट। तो वो स्पॉन्टेनिटी कैसे आई? नेगेटिव बुल बहुत स्ट्रांग था आपका, तो उसको बड़ा होने ही मत दो, उसे रोक दो, उसकी ग्रोथ को नहीं होने दो। जितने नेगेटिव लोग आपकी लाइफ में है ना, उनको पॉजिटिविटी का ज्ञान दो, उनको बोलो लेट्स टॉक पॉजिटिव, लेट्स नॉट टॉक पीपल, लेट्स टॉक प्रॉब्लम्स एंड फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस टू देम। Let's talk of processes, let's talk of policies of the government, let's talk of the strategies, let's not talk about people. That's the cheapest thing we can do as educators. So in your staff rooms also, if somebody is even trying to talk about it, tell them sorry, no room for negativity. I have to keep up with my positive bull. I have made a promise. इतने किलो का तो कर देना 1 महीने में. So that you can always keep in your mind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Madhu Dogra, ma'am, is there? Ma'am, would you like to unmute and share your experience? She's our joint secretary.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to all, ma'am. It was really awesome. I am spellbound. I don't know what to say next, because I've been listening to you continuously without a pause, without a break. and you are sharing the things in such a way as if we are just going through the things as usually going on. And very good, examples are given to our teachers. I hope all are enlightened, because these are daily, use examples are there where teachers don't have to work a lot, but at least they can do. They won't find it as a burden. So that's what I feel for everyone. I think everybody will agree to me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for awesome this session for all of us. Even I'm refreshing all my memories related to newspaper, this and all. Being an English teacher, I used to do all these things, and again refreshing, and I definitely keep on telling my teachers also. So again, I will, enforce these things. In the sense, enforcements, because this will give every teacher to read the newspaper at least themselves. And once we do, others can do. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for, and on behalf of all Sahodhya team, all my team members and teachers, I thank you a lot from, and with warm wishes, looking forward to see you ahead, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, Rasik sir.
Most welcome, ma'am. Most
For,
welcome.
arranging such things for us and refreshing memories as principals, and then learning a lot, because we are also learners. Thank you so much,
Absolutely.
everyone.
Absolutely
Thank you,
right,
sir.
ma'am. Harkirat ma'am, our secretary of Shivalik Hills Sahodhya, Mrs. Harkirat Kaur, she would like to say something.
Sir.
She's also member principal of our Sahodhya, Mrs. Parvinder Kaur.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is a wonderful session, ma'am. Thanks a lot for giving us the knowledge of 21st skills. And it is very beneficial for ma'am, all the teachers and students also, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your words. Good evening, ma'am.
Monica, ma'am, it was really a wonderful session. And the way you have just your messages, very nice messages, the connection correction is really engaged, and we will make a children to involve and even at this, ma'am. Everyone love to see you back again in some other session, I think. So thank you very much for being with us, ma'am, for being a very nice resource person. Actually, I have attended your seminar over the pedagogical leadership also, and that was also the wonderful session. Memories are yet with me, and that's why I was very eager to just to be the part of your session again. Thank you very much.
It's an honor for me. Thank you.
Because of network, I believe words could not be conveyed completely, but the feelings have been conveyed completely.
Yes.
Very well.
Very right.
Whatever you wish to say, we could feel all that, ma'am.
Mrs.
Thank Nirmal
you, sir.
Very good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of Shivalik Hills Sahodhya, I would like to extend my thanks to Mrs. Monica Chawla. The session was fantastic. We were so enriched. We are so enriched, and the type of activities ma'am has shared and the type of quotes she has shown or she has explained, they have really worked wonderfully to me, and I think they will work wonderfully to all the members out there. And we will surely try our best, ma'am. Whatever we have learned from this session, we will surely implement that in our classrooms, and the students will surely be benefited out of it. And thank you very much on behalf of the whole team. I'm really thankful to you for taking out your precious time from such a busy schedule. And we will be looking forward to attend more sessions with you now.
20.
Thank you very much. And
20.
Right. So thank you very much, respected President of Shivalik Hills Sahodhya, all the honorable members, all the principals who have joined, all the teachers. I'm very thankful to you on behalf of the team. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Monica ma'am. Thank you once again. Looking forward for the next session very soon.
Sure, sir, sure. Always there.
Thank you.
Can't say no to you, sir. Can't say no. Thank you so much for all the praises, all the appreciations, and I'll try my best to, try to come to that level, though I'm not actually there. So we'll definitely try to serve in a better way to you all and stay connected with you all. It was amazing to have you. And thank you, Rasik sir, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to meet so many educators at one forum, and I would say wonderful souls. Teachers की souls जो है ना सबसे ज़्यादा pure होती हैं. You really feel very happy connecting with teachers who are actually having such a big responsibility on their shoulders of pulling so many souls along with them. To keep maintain your spirits very high all the time. Stay in a high spirit. Always think yourself as a life changer. आपके अंदर इतनी ताकत है, भगवान ने आपको वो रोल दिया है ना जो मांग मांग के भी नहीं मिलता है. You can change the destiny of the students. आप उनका कोर्स ऑफ लाइफ चेंज कर सकते हैं सिर्फ अपनी स्माइल के साथ, अपने पैट के साथ, अपने वर्ड्स के साथ, एक कॉपी में स्टार के साथ. इतनी पावर किसी के पास नहीं है जो आपका फियर है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन सो मेनी पेरेंट्स कम डिवास्टेटेड, हमारी तो मानता नहीं, आप जो मर्जी कर लो, हमसे लिखवा लो पर आप इसको ठीक कर दो. दैट मच दे बिलीव इन योर पावर एंड यू आर द वंस हु आर क्रिएटिंग द डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, साइंटिस्ट एंड ऑल दीज इनोवेटर्स. सारे आपकी क्लास में से ही निकलते हैं. So hats off to your spirit and please maintain it high, and my all blessings and good prayers for all of you and your family members. May happiness and prosperity always be your companions. Thank you very
We
much.
reciprocate warmly the same to you, ma'am, and I am sure that today all these pure souls have met one of the purest souls on earth. And looking forward to meet again. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all the participants.
Yes, we agree to this.
All the fellow principals, all the dear teachers. Thank you very much for being so patient and being with us till end. Thank you.